The million-dollar dream, your stock market journey begins. Imagine the thrill of seeing your investments grow, the excitement of making smart decisions, and the satisfaction of watching your wealth accumulate over time. Let's face it, we all dream of striking it rich. We envision ourselves living in luxury, driving fancy cars, and owning beautiful homes. But how do we turn these dreams into reality? What if I told you the stock market could be your ticket to $1 million? Yes, it's true. With the right approach, the stock market can be a powerful tool to build your wealth. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right knowledge and a bit of guts, it's possible. You need to educate yourself, stay informed, and be prepared to take calculated risks. Think of the stock market as a giant game. A game where strategy, research, and timing are crucial. It's not just about luck. It's about making informed decisions. You're betting on companies you believe in, companies that are going to explode in value. You need to identify the potential winners and invest in them before they take off. Are you ready to play? This isn't about luck. It's about skill, knowledge, and perseverance. It's about staying the course even when the market gets tough. It's about understanding how the game works. You need to learn the basics, understand the market trends, and keep an eye on the economic indicators. It's about learning the rules, mastering the strategies, and taking calculated risks. You need to continuously educate yourself, attend webinars, read books, and follow market news. This essay is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of stock market investing and potentially reaching that coveted $1 million mark. It will guide you through the essential steps and strategies to help you succeed. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to dive in. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey that could change your financial future forever. Let's get started. Demystifying the market: stocks, risk, and rewards. Let's dive into the fascinating world of stocks and understand the dynamics that drive this financial market. First things first, what exactly are stocks? Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a piece of that company. Imagine owning a tiny slice of your favorite company, like Apple or Tesla. This means you have a stake in their success and, to some extent, their failures. That's what a stock is, a piece of ownership. It's like holding a small part of the company's puzzle, contributing to the bigger picture. When the company does well, your stock value goes up. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than just the company's performance. Here's the catch. The stock market is a roller coaster. It's influenced by various factors including economic indicators, market sentiment, and global events. It has its ups and downs, and that's where risk comes in. Investing always involves risk. The market can be unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate wildly. The higher the potential reward, the higher the risk. This is a fundamental principle of investing. High returns come with high risks. That's why it's crucial to understand what you're investing in. Do your research, analyze companies, and look at their financial health, market position, and future prospects. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's important to have a clear investment strategy and stick to it, ensuring you manage your risk effectively. The power of compounding. Your money's snowball effect. Now, let's talk about compound interest, the secret weapon of investing. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound interest at work. It's the principle of earning interest on your initial investment and then earning interest on that interest. See where I'm going with this? The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow exponentially over time. It's like planting a seed. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow into a mighty tree. Riding the rocket high-growth stocks and sectors. Ready to kick things into high gear? Let's talk about high-growth stocks. These are the Ferraris of the stock market, companies and industries that are expanding rapidly. Think technology, biotech, renewable energy, sectors that are shaping the future. Investing in these sectors is like catching a rocket ship on its way to the moon. The potential for rapid growth is immense. However, remember, these stocks can be volatile. They're not for the faint of heart, but they can offer incredible returns for those willing to take the risk. Leveling up margin trading and options. All right, thrill seekers, ready to take it up a notch? Margin trading and options are advanced strategies that can amplify your profits. Margin trading is like borrowing money from your broker to buy more stock. It's a high-risk, high-reward game. Options, on the other hand, give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price by a specific date. They can be complex, but they offer the potential for huge returns with limited risk. However, be warned, these strategies are not for beginners. They require deep knowledge and experience. Timing is everything. Riding the market waves. Remember that roller coaster we talked about? The stock market moves in cycles. Understanding these cycles is key to maximizing your profits. Buying when the market is low and selling when it's high, that's the dream, right? Timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, but by analyzing market trends, economic indicators, and company performance, you can make educated guesses about the market's direction. It's like surfing. You need to catch the right wave at the right time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Here's a golden rule of investing. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial. It means spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and within those classes, across different sectors and companies. Why is diversification so important? It protects you from losses. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. It's about managing risk and ensuring that your portfolio is built for long-term success. Never stop learning. Your financial education journey. The stock market is a dynamic beast, constantly evolving. That's why continuous learning is paramount. Read books, take courses, follow market trends, and analyze company performance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Think of it as a lifelong journey of discovery. There's always something new to learn, a new strategy to master, a new opportunity to seize. Embrace the learning process and never stop seeking knowledge. The million-dollar mindset: taking risks and reaping rewards. So, are you ready to embark on your million-dollar journey? It all starts with a single step, a decision to take control of your financial future. Remember, investing in the stock market is not a guaranteed path to riches. There will be highs and lows, moments of doubt, and times of triumph. It requires knowledge, patience, and a healthy appetite for risk. You must be willing to learn, adapt, and grow with the market. But with the right mindset and a commitment to continuous learning, you can navigate the market's ups and downs and potentially achieve your financial dreams. It's about staying informed and making calculated decisions. Take calculated risks, stay informed, and never give up on your financial goals. Consistency and perseverance are key. The stock market is a powerful tool for wealth creation, and with the right approach, you can unlock its potential and reach for the stars. Embrace the journey, learn from every experience, and let your financial aspirations guide you to success.
Until next time, happy investing.